Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy LED ring fill lights on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is an online shopping marketplace that delivers the product directly from China to consumer and provide a 90-day return policy. So here I will directly search for LED ring fill lights. Okay, here I can see. So I will just go with these ones. Okay. So this product will cost you around $36.72 on Amazon, but here you are just paying $18.78 and hence saving 48%. Okay, so here we can see. So it is looking something like this. Okay, colorful, very glazing, and here we can see charger also. It's coming with a charger, and you can use the power bank laptop and your computer also. So it comes with a review of 4.5 star, and here we can see the detail also. So it's a push button type of, and it is USB powered. So here we can see it will something look like this. It is very useful product. So to buy you will just click on add to cart button and then click on buy button and follow the instructions to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a LED ring fill light on TEMU website for uh, I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money.